no, snow got to go. Hey y'all, this is Ricke James, and I'm here to tell you about my 5-point snow. Hey y'all, this is Ricke James. I'm here to tell you about the snow that's coming down here, and it's coming down very heavy, as you can see. I feel like I'm in the snow-natal. Can y'all say snow-natal? That's right, snow-natal. First time you ever heard that word. I heard it on the news yesterday, but they stole it from me because I've been saying that for a long time. But anyway, I do have a new upgrade I want to share with y'all, but as you see, I can't share it right now. Actually, it's in the house. I'll show you it. It came in a while ago, but I gotta get it put in the car. But until then, I will keep you entertained with some of this here, how you say it, video footage. You know how they do all the slow motion stuff and have the cool music. Yeah, I'm gonna do all that, all the sexy stuff. And also, to all you snow bunnies that wants to jump up in the holes and be on the Ricke James.
What the hell you talking about?
What? Ricke James loves the snow bunnies, man. Come on.
Ain't no such thing as no snow bunnies.
What you mean ain't no rabbits jumping out of the hat?
Ain't no rabbits jumping out of no hat. Oh, Lord.
Anyway, let's get on with the video. Hey y'all, this is Ricke James. Just about a couple weeks ago, you know, I was complaining about the no, snow got to go. But right now, I'm on my way to my therapist because, you know, I have, I could say, bad back injuries. And I cleaned the car up. Yesterday it was dirty and stuff like that. I cleaned it all up, so I cleaned it up. She's looking nice and stuff like that. But I gotta get to my appointment because, you know, I have back issues because, you know, they said you're strong in the hips, you don't gotta use your lips. But I think things are changing for me. So ladies might have to use the lips.
Whoa, Ricky, what the hell? This ain't 1972
Really?
Deep Throat.
I'm discussing my
Nobody needs to know all
here.
that.
Mind your own business. But anyway, we're gonna get going to my therapist and stuff like that, so I get some therapy done. And I'll talk to you guys later. You can take a ride with me though. Take a ride with me. See, you know, the beautiful sights that, you know, this area has to offer. As you hear the birds singing in the background, that means the weather is breaking. And I'm out. Well, I'm gonna drive that car to that damn road. I'm gonna drive it like I did before. I'm gonna drive that car to that damn road. I'm gonna drive it like I did before. I got a horsepower in the bag, tires smoke like that. Girls blowing kisses cause they love it like that. I got that jump in the trunk, and get that bump. I got a little shorty and I call her my stud. Can't nobody really stop me. They can't stop Ricke. Can't nobody really stop me. They can't stop Ricke. When I line it up, a red line is a must. I found a dollar bill and I wish you good luck. The light turned green, you hit them on the screen. People cheering because they see me on the scene. Can't nobody really beat me. You can't beat Ricke. Can't nobody really beat me. You can't beat Ricke. Well, I'm gonna drive that car to that damn road. I'm gonna drive it like I did before. I'm gonna drive that car to that damn road. I'm gonna drive it like I did before. I'm gonna drive that car to that damn road. I'm gonna drive it like I did before. I'm gonna drive that car to that damn road. I'm gonna drive it like I did before.